what you'll see up here is our service partner program, our training program, our aftermarket. Our aftermarket has integrated all of our ZF products and our WABCO products. We are still selling products under this particular names, whether they be TRW, whether it be SAC shocks, whether it be WABCO.
Right.
We wanted to maintain names that people know in the industry.
Right.
People know WABCO, people know TRW, people know SACs.
Right.
Just have brought it all under one umbrella, much more efficient. And I think that has helped from the supply chain. It's helped from that standpoint because we do have a larger organization to source products.
Right.
One of the things that we do have new is our WABCO Service Partner Program. So we are working with various entities throughout the U.S. and signing them up, for lack of a better term, to become service partners. And what that allows is we do training. We make sure all their techs are certified. We provide them a portal to file warranty. They are our warranty providers, warranty service centers.
Right.
The nice thing about service partners, it is that tech training. There's so many places that say that, yeah, I can work on your trailer ABS, but well, how? If you don't have the training and covering it under warranty, with trailer shortages, truck shortages, downtime, I don't like to say downtime, I like to say we want to eliminate dwell time.
Right.
I think that is more of an accurate phrase, is eliminating dwell time. They don't want to dwell at the dealership. We don't want them to dwell at the dealership and or the service facility. So that is really our service partner program. Right now, currently, we have over 100 of them in the U.S. And it also is part of on our website. If you are in Lima, Ohio, and you need a WABCO service partner, a certified WABCO warranty provider, there is a locator, a service partner locator on our website.
Right.
We also have our WABCO Academy. Our WABCO Academy is available for fleets, WABCO service partners, technicians. It's an online learning portal. And through that program, we have truck modules and then the various components within the trucks: air systems, air disc brakes, collision mitigation, ADAS, the various products, ZF and WABCO, or ZF products.
Right.
That also provides you certificates, and that is what our WABCO service partners utilize to become certified, is our WABCO Academy. And that is something that we make available to all fleets, all techs. And that is, we're constantly building that out to provide more content. Are we where we want to be? No, but we are continuing to enhance that and improve that each and every day.
Right.
Our customer care center is what I like to say really our backbone of eliminating that dwell time, whether it's through phone, email, chat. Our service advisors that work on our technical call, our customer care center, our technical support, are second to none, led by some great leaders, really industry. They know the products very well.
Yeah.
They're very product savvy, and they really provide the diagnostics and troubleshooting that is needed to eliminate that dwell time, to get those products. Rather, we want to do proper diagnostics versus swapnostics. Again, I hate bringing up the supply chain, but as parts get in shorter supply, just throwing parts to fix something, that doesn't work anymore.
Right.
So our call center, our customer care center is working very hard to make sure that we're going step by step with the diagnostics and the troubleshooting, so we're not just replacing parts. So that's really the service and the support side of things. I truly believe that is what differentiates us in the industry. Is I truly think that we provide a higher level of customer service and support than others in the industry. Whether it's going out and doing training
Right.
I was just at a fleet last week doing an on-site training. I'm underneath on a creeper measuring air disc brake pad thickness.
Right.
Fifth wheel grease in my hair. So I mean, we're out there with the technicians. We go from the executive suite to the shop. We want to hear from the techs. Here's what's good about your product. Here's what you could improve upon, and we listen to our customers. At the end of the day, the customers are who we listen to, and they're the ones that will talk to the OEMs. And we've made a lot of design changes and product improvements because of what we've heard.
Right. Well, and even to your earlier point on training and being able to diagnose something the right time, because you can get it fixed maybe, but you're going to see it again if you're not diagnosing it correctly.
If you're not doing it correctly, I mean, it's you already had it down once.
Right.
Why do you want it down again?
Right.
To your point, exactly.
Right.
Run it down the road. That ABS light comes on. Well, did you follow the repair tree?
Right.
Our toolbox software, which is our diagnostic software, is very, very useful from that standpoint.
Right.
If you click on, in our diagnostic software toolbox, if you click on a fault code, it will take you to a website that will say, check the ohms here, check the resistance here. It provides you a step-by-step repair instructions.
Some pecking order there.
Pecking order.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And that, the days as we get more electrified, more technology comes into play. The days of just turning a couple of wrenches, having something fixed, I mean, technicians are still going to have to do that for some products.
Right.
But with smart ABS systems, with collision mitigation sensors, with radars, with cameras, there's calibration. There's so much more than a wrench and a socket.
Right.
You're going to need.
Well, we saw a little bit of the trailer telematics platform a little earlier too, and I mean even then when the fault code came up and it kind of gave you the recommended practices right there with the location, with the fault, with the asset, and all the information. I mean, it's really fantastic.
Yeah. So it really provides a do it right the first time. Let's not see the same problem again. And with our software, our diagnostic software, if you clear a fault code and it comes back and it's got the same fault code, well, that could probably tell you you've got more. You've got to look at something else. You cleared it the first time. Hey, maybe you got to go a little bit deeper. So that history is nice with our software.
Right.